Hello students, today we are going to study our second chapter, The Living World. Living things versus non-living things. Things that move, grow, breathe, need food, feel changes and reproduce are called living things. Things that do not move, grow, breathe, need food, feel changes or reproduce are called non-living things. All things around us includes two types, living things, non-living things. Living things includes plants and animals. Plants non-moving living things, animals moving living things. Non-living things includes car, pencil, stone. Car is man-made non-living things, pencil is man-made non-living things and stone is natural non-living thing. Difference between living things and non-living things. First, living things can move on their own. Non-living things cannot move on their own. Second, living things grow with time. Non-living things do not grow with time. Living things need air to breathe. Non-living things do not breathe. Living things need food to grow. Non-living things do not need food. Living things feel changes around them. Non-living things do not feel changes around them. Living things reproduce. Non-living things do not reproduce. Human beings, plants and animals are examples of living things. Book, pencil, bat, etc. are examples of non-living things. Now we are going to learn the characteristics of living things. First, growth. Living things grow. Plants and animals grow with time. A child grows into an adult. A seed grows into a plant. Non-living things like dolls, cricket bats, table, etc. do not grow. Now you can try this activity. Take a small plant and tie a thread to the tip of it and other end of thread to nail of the plant. After about 10 to 15 days, watch it. Now you will notice that now plant has grown and the thread has become a little loose. First we have keep the thread in straight position. After 10 or 15 days, you will find that plant has been grown. So this little experiment proves that even plants grows. Though all living things grow, animals grow only for a certain period. Plants, on the other hand, grow as long as they live. The growth of living things occur from within the body, which means that growth occur in all parts of the body. Food. Living things need food to grow. Food gives us energy to work and move. Animals eat plants or flesh of other animals as a food. Plants do not need to go in search of food. They make their own food in presence of air, water and light. Non-living things do not need food. Photosynthesis. Hey, come with us. Do you know how plants make their own food? In presence of sunlight. With the help of chlorophyll, photosynthesis takes place in the leaves of plant. Plants need sunlight, carbon dioxide from air, water from soil to prepare their own food. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants prepare their own food using carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight. During this process, plants give out oxygen. Plants appear mainly green in color due to the chlorophyll in them. Animals, however, do not have chlorophyll. They do not produce their own food. They search for food. Animals such as goats, sheep, horses eat grass, while wild animals such as tigers and lions meet their need for food by hunting other animals which live on plants. The intake of food and the resultant growth is an important characteristic of living things.